As you already know that we are hearing the news of heat waves and heat strokes. The temperature in the country is rising before 45 degrees Celsius. And this is a very unfortunate because of the climate change. But amid all these news of heat waves and heat strokes, a good news is coming that maybe monsoon will hit Kerala in 5 days. Yes, this is the news. Hello and welcome to the news series of Drishti IAS. I am Britu and today's session is about that monsoon will hit Kerala within 5 days. So this session is related to the monsoon and this session is important for your GS 3 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news. Then we are going to discuss what does the onset of monsoon mean. Then we are going to discuss types of monsoon in India. Then we are going to discuss what are the findings of a report related to the monsoon. Then we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So IMD had expected that in 5 days maybe the monsoon will hit Kerala, and this is a very fortunate news because it will provide sudden relief to the heat waves and heat strokes which are happening in North India. So that's why, and it is not just North India which is suffering from heat waves and heat strokes. So many other parts in hills also you can see the rise in temperature. In coastal areas also you can see the rise in temperature. So if monsoon will hit to the Kerala, it will come to the other parts of the country. So it will provide a sudden relief. Though IMD had also predicted that after 15 or 14 days, there will be the rise in temperature again. But for temporary, it will provide the relief. Coming to the next one. Next one is about onset of the monsoon. So whatever the monsoon will hit the Kerala, it will be the southwest monsoon. And this is the monsoon is a marker of a good fortune and good climate of the country because it will provide relief from the heat waves, and it will also an indicator of the agriculture of the country because India is agriculture based country. If there will be the good season of monsoon, then the agricultural productivity will also rise and there will be also more income to the farmers. So that's why the monsoon, arrival of monsoon is very much important to the country. So it will hit within 5 days and it will account 70% of the country's annual rainfall. It means that we have another kind of monsoon which is a northeast monsoon, but majorly it will account the southwest monsoon which is 70% of the country, and it is a time period of June to September. So it has a time period of 4 months. Then coming to the next one, which is about the types of monsoon. So in India we have two notable monsoons. The first is southwest monsoon which is going to hit Kerala soon. Then we have this northeast monsoon. So we have two types of monsoon. The first is southwest and then northeast monsoon. So southwest monsoon will hit Kerala and it will hit around June, and the duration is what you can say June to September. And southwest monsoon is the primary monsoon affecting India, and it not only bring respite from the heat but also it will be beneficial for growing kharif crops. So for kharif crops, southwest monsoon is beneficial. Coming to the second type of monsoon, which is the northeast monsoon, and the time period is what you can say when this monsoon ends, which is October to December, and it is also known as retreating monsoon, and it affects the peninsular India, and it is also useful for the growth of the Rabi crops. So here you should know these two key aspects, that southwest monsoon is for the kharif. So here you can make like these kind of code words like south and kharif crops. Then we have this retreating, and from retreating you can see the Rabi, which is the northeast monsoon. So these code words will help you for your prelims examination. Then coming to the next one, which is about the findings. So recently in January we have seen a report has come related to the monsoon, and this report has find out something which is very unusual thing about and which has occurred very recently. So what are the findings of that particular report? The first finding is that rainfall increases in some of the traditionally dry regions and decreases in some of the high monsoon rainfall areas, just like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Konkan regions, Maharashtra. These regions generally have a less amount of rainfall in comparison to other parts of the country. But what had happened that right now there is a different conditions of monsoon in these areas. The rainfall has increased. Traditionally, which area has a large amount of rainfall, just like Meghalaya, Mausinaram, Assam. So we can see there is a decrease in rainfall into this area. So the first finding is this. Coming to the other findings, then regions with heightened rainfall experience more frequent heavy rainfalls. So southwest monsoon rainfall increased 55% of the India's tehsils, and frequency has increased. Moreover, nearly 64% of tehsils experience an increase in frequency of rainfall by 1 to 15 days. And you can see the phenomena of flash flood in Delhi, Uttarakhand. So it is because of this, because suddenly there is a spike in the rainfall. Then we have other findings also. The other findings are changes in monsoon patterns can affect agriculture output and ecosystem, because Rajasthan is an area where there is a less amount of rainfall, and you can see that for 1 to 15 days there is a sudden spike in rainfall in the heightened areas. So that brings the flash floods. So that has a negative impact on the ecosystem and also on the agriculture, because in India, the agriculture is based and largely monsoon based, and because of that, if there will be the uncertain amount of monsoon, uncertain amount of rainfall, then definitely it will affect the agriculture productivity, and it will also affect the economic system of the country. So this is also one of the thing. Then we have northeast monsoon rainfall also increased in some regions. So generally October to December is a period which have a small amount of rainfall, which is not much known for the rainfall. But what is happening in last decade, we have seen that there is a significant amount of rainfall into retreating monsoon, and that has a negative impact on agriculture output and also on the livelihoods. So that is also affecting the ecosystem and economic system of the country. So we can see that there is a sudden spike in different type of areas, just like 44% in Telangana, 39% in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Goa. So these areas are suffering from high rainfall, which is the retreating monsoon. So this is the findings about the particular report. Then we come to the question round, and the question is related to the monsoon. And the first statement is southwest monsoon, which occurs from June to September. And the second one is it affects peninsular India. Here they are asking the correct statement, and your options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So you have to answer it in the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.